What up, Savage Gang? And on today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how to make some homemade dumplings and pot stickers. We're gonna be making the dough from scratch. We're gonna be doing everything from scratch, and this is gonna be way better than the store-bought stuff. So, hey, without further ado, let's get started. What's up, Savage Gang? Y'all should already know for every great dumpling is some great filling. So I'm gonna teach y'all how to make some of the best dumpling filling ever. So first, what you're gonna need is a bowl and 1 ground of pork. If I had to hear that sound, I know y'all had to hear that sound. So then we're gonna take 1 stem of some green onion for some color and cut it thinly, more thin than an anorexic child. But make sure you cut it real thin. But first, look at them knife skills. Your boy cutting real nice. But after we do that, we're gonna add that to our pork. Next, we're gonna get us a carrot. The filling is gonna be 1/4 cup. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my carrots. Don't do that. After you get you a new carrot, I cut my carrots like this, which is super extra. I actually advise you to just cut it into minced diced pieces. But however you cut it, we're gonna add that in with our ground pork. Second to last, I added a knob of ginger. You don't have to add this, but I do love ginger, and I think it really enhances the dumplings. So cut that up, and we're gonna mince that into little pieces. But if you have 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, that works way better. Next, get you some garlic. I got a lot, as you can see, but if you don't have a garlic press, then you can just mince it up, but add some garlic to it, and that's gonna enhance the flavor. And that's it. Psych, I lied. Get you some cabbage. So I took almost less than half a cup of some cabbage. Remove the tough core because we don't want that. We're gonna fold it up like how you cut basil, and we're gonna cut it into some thinly tight cuts. You already know. Then we're gonna add that with our ground pork, and you already know. So I took 1 tablespoon of some sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of some soy sauce. After we do that, get you some gloves, and we about to get into this thing. So I advise you to get some gloves because it's fun to get messy, then mix it up. I'm being too gentle with it, so be aggressive just like that. And your boy was kind of having too much fun because I was doing this for a whole 5 minutes. But after that, I add some garlic salt on top so we can pull out that moisture and add more flavor. So I'm gonna put some foil on top, put that in my fridge for at least 1 hour or overnight being better, so we can get all of those ingredients combined and get to know each other very well. While that's sitting in the fridge, let's make our dough. So first, what you're gonna need is another bowl. Next, we're gonna add 4 cups of, you already know, that good white stuff.
Cocaina. No, flour.
Then 1 cup of some piping straight from the burner hot water. Y'all already know. If y'all still with me, comment down below that I am still here and tell me what part y'all are at. So we're gonna add in our water, add some gloves to your hands too so you don't burn them fingers. Then we're gonna knead our dough and mix it. And then when we kneaded it enough, we're gonna knead it onto our cutting board until it is smooth like that. Look how smooth that thing. Smoother than a baby's bottom, you already know. Get you some saran wrap or a baggie. I don't know what I was doing here. I think I was trying to do like a little skit, but I don't remember what I was so aggressive for. But I didn't have any saran wrap, so we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna let that sit for a good 30 minutes so we can let the dough chill, like give it a little nap. We'll come back in 30 minutes and wake him up from nap time. After we wake up Mr. Doughboy Jr. from his nap, we're gonna dust him in some flour and we're gonna cut him into 4 pieces just like that. Section it off. We're gonna put that to the side, and we're just gonna use these 2 for this recipe. Each dough ball should make 15 pieces. So you're probably wondering, how do we roll it out? I'm gonna use a KitchenAid.
Oh wow.
I don't know about y'all. Usually what you can use is get you a rolling pin. You can roll it out super thin, which is gonna take longer. So what I got is a KitchenAid pasta roller. This is very helpful. I do not suggest y'all to buy this because this thing is very expensive. You making your own pasta or you rolling out doughs, I suggest you to buy it. But if you're not doing none of that, then I don't suggest you to buy it. But if you want to, link in the description. So at first, as you can see, I was messing up a few times, but don't give up. Keep on trying. If you give up, you will never succeed, and every mistake you do helps you be a better person. After you rolled it out, as you can see, you want it to be almost transparent where you can see your fingers from behind. Next, I got me a 4-inch cookie cutter, stamped it into the dough, and look how easy this is. Super fast, super quick. That's why I love that KitchenAid attachment. Pop that dumpling filling out the fridge. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of filling. Don't add it too much. I know you want to be tempted to add a lot, but no, we got to be able to close this. And first, I'm gonna tell y'all, I am bad at explaining stuff. So there's a specific way that you gotta fold your dumplings. First, get you some water and go around the rim like that. Be a little nice, a little gentle with it. Then we're gonna fold it in half like a taco, just like that. After you do that, please don't judge me, I'm bad at explaining. We are gonna take our fingers, we are going to pinch the dough, and we are going to fold it back. I am so sorry if that does not make any sense. If I find a video, I'll try to link it, but we are gonna do that, and we're gonna do it to the other side until it looks like that. I am not good at it, but I'm gonna be honest, all I care about is the flavor. I don't care about how it looks. Set that aside, and next we are gonna make a delicious sauce. So first, what you're gonna need is 1 teaspoon of some sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic, a little bit less than 1/4 cup of some vinegar, and some soy sauce. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of some chili paste and 1 teaspoon of some sriracha to give it some kick. Top it off with some sesame seeds, give that a mix, and that is your sauce.
Get saucy and sauce it up.
Next, boil you some water, then we are gonna add in our steamer. And I know a lot of y'all might not have steamers, so I have 2 other ways how you can make this. FYI, this method sucks, but get you some boiling water, add in your dumplings, let them drown, and then we're gonna put a lid on top. Let these cook for 8 minutes, and I'm gonna show y'all why I hate this method. You see all of that stuff? Like, look at that. That doesn't look appealing. That looks like some skin.
I am disgusted.
So that's why I say get you a steamer. It's only $10. Go on Amazon, it's like $5. Like, come on, dog. Now put some cabbage down, then we're gonna add in our dumplings, put that lid back on, and we're gonna let these cook for 8 minutes. While these are cooking, subscribe to the channel if you are not. It is free. If you don't like any of the content, you can unsubscribe later, but check out my whole catalog. After 8 minutes, turn off the heat, and then we're gonna move that off to the side. Do not open the lid. Open it after 10 minutes, and there you go. That is how you make dumplings. But I'm gonna show y'all how to make some pot stickers. It's crispy, it's delicious, and it's perfect for the people without a steamer. So get you a skillet, put it on a medium low, then we're gonna add some olive oil, then we're gonna add in our dumplings, just like that. That's all you need, is 5 of them. You see how it starts to bubble? That's what you want. Now we're gonna let these cook for 2 minutes until it gets brown, just like that, crispy. Then add a little bit of water to it like that, and y'all already see it start to bubble like that. We're gonna put this lid on top, and we're gonna let this cook for 8 minutes. Dumplings are honestly one of my favorite snacks. It's quick to make, it's delicious, and they're good at fast food restaurants or just takeout restaurants or just any Asian themed restaurant. And y'all see it like this. Look at that. That is how you make dumplings and pot stickers. Bro, why go to a takeout restaurant when you can make it at home from scratch? It's fun to do, and it's just way better. I also made me a mac and cheese dumpling. This was actually good. If I added some more cheese inside of it, it would have been way better. But if y'all want to see me do some weird videos like this where I mash up foods, comment that down below. That's a serious idea I've been having for the longest. But that's it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment down below. This is 2022, a new year, new me. We're gonna try some new things on this channel, so make sure y'all stay tuned. If y'all have some suggestions, I'm gonna do some polls, and I'm gonna do a community post, and y'all check that out. But hey, I hope y'all have a good New Year's, and let's get started. 2022, we here, baby.